Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And 14 years ago yesterday, the October the 22nd, something big happened and changed a lot of the PC environment and became something that people loved a lot. 14 years ago, in October 22nd, 2009, there was a launch of Windows 7. Windows 7, I remember, was the first to actually have a technical preview released before to try. We had the Insider program that started with Windows 10, and before the launch of Windows 10, we had, of course, technical previews that eventually became Windows builds for testing on the Insider rings. And in Windows 7, they actually had that also. It was the first time they offered a first preview version of a Windows operating system. I remember they had one or two of them, and they lasted about 6 months, I think the license lasted. And after that, of course, it expired. It was not an official Insider program, nothing. I think it was there maybe to try to hype Windows 7. I remember getting Windows 7 at a discount. There was on, I believe Amazon had a discount saying that if you purchased your, official Windows 7 disc and license, it was like $100 less. I remember I purchased 2 or 3 of them back then, which was really not expensive. And they actually wanted us to have a launch party. I remember this. I actually almost subscribed to get all the things. They were sending out balloons and all sorts of little gizmos. And, they wanted you to throw your own Windows 7 party. It was a big launch. I think Windows 7 was one of the biggest launches since probably Windows 95. They wanted the home market to really, really embrace this. I remember also that we were pretty much, I was happy with Windows 7. But one of the things that a lot of people don't remember, because that's, where we talk about Windows when we talk about new versions of Windows. One of the things about new versions of Windows is that a lot of people always rant when something new happens. And, just like Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows in the past, Windows 7 to Windows 10, I remember that Windows 7, because of its architecture, departed from a lot of things that were compatible with Windows XP. And I still remember a lot of people being mad at Windows at Windows 7 because some of their hardware, printers, for example, were not working anymore. Also, some software were not working anymore. Windows 7's introduction was not, something that everybody loved. The first year, a lot of people hated Windows 7, like the first year of Windows XP. A lot of people hated Windows XP. It's always like that with Windows. But it became to be one of the most loved operating systems. I think now we can agree that Windows 10 is the most loved and the one that is the most popular ever. But we can say that Windows 7 was up there, very, very popular. And people simply loved it. It was replacing Windows Vista. Funniest thing is Windows 7 was pretty much Windows Vista, but tweaked and with PCs that had good minimum requirements. So 14 years ago, time really, really flies. And on October 22nd, 2009, we had launch parties everywhere for Windows 7. You have your story with Windows 7? Why not share it with us? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.